Hello everyone, my name is Juliana Cohen. It is November 1st, 2021, and I'm doing the cardiovascular system trace video assignment. Alrighty, I have a picture here. This will be hard to point out. Okay, so first up we have this is what I'm pointing out. Superior vena cava. Okay, and we go down to this one right here, this little green line, and that would be the right pulmonary artery. Alrighty, we're gonna go down to this is like number 4 going here, and that would be the the pulmonary semilunar valve. Alrighty, I'm going to go down to this one, and that is the right atrium. Down to 6, we have the tricuspid valve. I'm going to go right back up here. We forgot the right pulmonary veins. Okay, we're going to go down here to the right ventricle. And we're going to go down to this guy, which is the inferior vena cava. Then we're going to go up to this side as the flow of the heart goes after it's been oxygenated. Up here we have the left pulmonary artery. Here we have the left pulmonary veins. We go down to this guy and we get the left atrium. We go to this little valve, and that is the aortic semilunar valve. Here we go to the bicuspid or mitral valve. Here would be the left ventricle. I believe that covers it for the heart. Make sure I got them all. We know our lungs are right here, where the circulatory system goes so that the blood can be oxygenated and goes back to the heart. Now I will do this little drawing that I did to go over the arterioles are here. This is an artery. Here is a capillary. And the blue are the veins. And I believe that covers it. Thank you.